There's another way there first before I crawl through that little tiny.
Yeah.
NYP. Penn Station. Yeah.
So where'd you find that key at?
They're just like in this drawer right here.
Oh yeah?
And there's 2 safes down here as well.
Oh. You should try it.
I know, I tried it on the safe.
Yeah? Did you find the combination?
Oh.
Oh.
On this, it'll be so rubbed down on the side you can tell what it was.
Oh yeah.
So that thing must must go into a tunnel that
Yeah.
goes into that room.
What if that's
I think
the
so.
way
It's head.
There's like a cool machine thing right there.
Yeah, it's like a speaker.
No, it's a little uneasy.
Yeah. Massage therapy.
Sometimes you get the doors.
Torn, why do I hear you? Are you in here? Ross, he's in the conveyor belt.
It's going through.
I heard him in here, like right in there under that box.
Have you gone this way yet? Oh wait.
Not much. There's just a big gate. Employees only.
Please. Come on, dude.
So, if he pops out here, I don't know what to say about that. Oh, I see his leg. He's right there. Thorin. Oh, hi. How's it going? All right. I'll put this in. Wait. Oh, well, it's not. Oh, you got in.
I guarantee it's the whole
Everything else.
There's still power, like the whole building, so.
Everything else is still on.
Yeah.
Rather dim at this point.
You can see, oh, hey, here's our hatch.
Huh. I don't know if it's all low. So they like used to maybe have something.
And I think it's just for, like, people that.
What are these? June 1st, 1972.
These are old as shit.
So it's for some sort of electrical panel maybe, because it's talking about terminal to identify the elevator equipment. Huh. So maybe it is for an elevator. Emergency call button.
I think this big
So
page
this
is
must
for.
be the guy. I don't know, maybe it could have been for luggage that people forgot.
Maybe. Is that a pen?
Now what is this thing for?
It looks like an intercom.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
like, what would they have
Why would it
used
be
it
on this side? I don't know.
Yeah.
There's a button here.
So they must have it's almost, because, so this must be like one of those things to pass stuff through.
Oh, yeah.
But why here? Like,
There it is. Is what room locked?
where it had like that intercom pass through, whatever.
Oh, I'm not sure.
Yeah, there was one of these in Gaultier too. They used to have one up in the top floor, and it controlled
really?
it controlled the music in the bank. I remember changing the station. And then I heard about it later from people.
That's like all the guests.
They're like the music changed the country, and it got really depressing.
Wow.
That's like the station closed 10 years after that. So is it just like operating unlicensed?
Apparently. That's where you have to license an elevator.
Probably just for like
Safety purposes. That's